have a message for Chloe Ting. This message is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer. For the ones who don't already know me, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me for more weight loss tips and tricks. Oh, this is a cute picture right here. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys this picture right here. 90.8 of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then the other 8.5 are subscribed. So make sure, if you're watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and help me get to my goal of 10K subscribers by the end of this year. On the title of this video, you guys already know what this video is about. I finally did the Chloe Ting 15-day plank, no, 15, what's it called? I finally completed the 15-day intense core challenge, and I just had to pull it up because I forgot all about it. Forgot the name of it. So I wonder if they can hear my neighbors. I finally completed that workout. And let me tell you, her workouts are so freaking intense. Like, so intense. It's crazy because I feel like I'm dying. And this is only the first workout. And let me tell you something. Actually, no. Let me ask Chloe something. Chloe, did you think about us thicker girls trying to do those workouds? Actually, the plank challenge one. Like, did you think about us at all? No? No? Because for some reason, my body just felt like I couldn't pick myself up. Like, I just couldn't bear my own body weight. Because I can't do this. My elbows were hurting so bad. My hands were hurting so bad. It was just like, this was honestly the hardest 15 days of my life, but it was so worth it. What the heck? Honestly, it was like day 5, and I ended up not day 5, it was like day 4, and I ended up not even doing day 6 or 7 because day 5 was a rest day. So I ended up skipping those 2 days, and after I skipped those 2 days, I told myself I was not going to finish this workout whatsoever because I just didn't have the type of motivation. When I went to my community tab, and I told you guys, like, I'm sorry guys, but I tried to do the Chloe Ting, but it didn't work. And you guys were so sweet, and you guys left a lot of encouraging comments telling me to just keep going, and if I didn't keep going, then that was 100% okay. There was nothing wrong with that, and I did. I went straight to day 6, I believe, and I just kept going after that. So I was struggling throughout this whole 15 days, but mostly with the plank challenge one. Like I told you guys, I just felt like my body, I just couldn't bear my own weight, and it was just hurting so bad. As the days went on, I noticed that I was getting stronger, and I was able to, you know, hold my weight, hold my body, I guess, or my weight longer than I did on day 1. I only ended up recording day 1 and day 6, or was it day 4? I don't remember, but supposed to be recording day 1, day 5, day 10, and day 15, and I did not. But I did record those 2 days, so I will be inserting clips as you guys been seeing throughout this whole video. But yeah, I just didn't have any type of motivation to really record because I had to drag myself to actually work out. So why would I like set up a camera, you know what I mean? But these pictures will speak for themselves because the transformation is like amazing. So as far as my diet goes, I was doing OMAD off and on. So this is what I got. A little snack. Oh my god, why does food taste so good? If you don't know what OMAD is, it is 1 meal a day, and that's when you basically fast. I like to fast between 22 and 23 hours, and then that's when I have my 1 meal, which is OMAD. If you guys are interested in knowing what type of meals I eat on OMAD, I have a couple videos up here. Let's get straight into my measurements and my weight. Out, I was 160.4 pounds. My waist was 30 inches. My midsection was 33 inches. On day 15, I weighed myself the next day and I was 159.8. My waist is 28 inches and my midsection is 30 inches. So as you guys can see, I barely had any change in my weight, but these pictures, you can see the difference. By the way, in these pictures that you're gonna see, I was actually bloated because I was on my period, but you can actually tell there's like a little, like, you know, like a little belly, like I was pregnant. Looks like I was pregnant. But yeah, you can actually tell that I was bloated. So as you guys seen from the picture, there was a drastic change in my body. I was so shocked, like actually making these pictures. I was like, wow, that's crazy, because you don't actually see the change till you actually compare the two pictures. So I suggest, if you are gonna do this challenge, make sure you take a before and after picture so you can tell the difference. Or like you can do like, oh, take a picture day 1, then take another picture day 5, then take another picture day 10, another picture day 15, you know, just so you can see the progress and you don't give up. 100% recommend this workout. I think I'm gonna try to do the 2-week Chloe ab challenge. I think that's what it's called. I want to see if I could do it. I've tried to do it before when I first started losing weight, when I first started my weight loss journey back in February. I tried to do the Chloe Ting, and I think the furthest day I've got to was day 3, day 4, maybe pushing it a little bit. But yeah, if you would like to see me doing the Chloe Ting 2-week ab workout or ab challenge, whatever it's called, please go ahead and like this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know that you are interested. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video because it helps me out a lot, and make sure you comment something nice. Bye guys.
She looks like the girl of mine. She looks like the girl of mine.